Call it how it is.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a quick brow tutorial. I did one brow off camera and this other one, I'm going to take care of it for you guys, okay? It's not looking real good right now, so excuse my brows, they're a little sparse because I tweeze. Okay, so basically this right here is my Sigma brush. It's a little flat brush, and these right here are two concealers that I use for my brows. One of them is the L'Oreal Infallible and the other one is Shape Tape, of course. Okay, and this is my Absolute New York brow pencil in the color, I believe it's smoked. And it has the little spoolie at one end and of course the brow pencil on the other end. So basically, I start off my brows by brushing them out, of course, to lay them upward. And I'm going to trace the bottom of my brow. Ooh, I messed up a little bit. But anyway, that's easy fix. I trace the bottom of my brow just to give myself an outline. And then I basically make short little hair-like strokes going upward in the direction that my brows are growing. And then I start to shade them in. So that's what I'm doing here. Just basically shading my brows in because we can't have any gaps. Okay, sis, we don't need any gaps in these brows. So right now, basically, then I trace the top of my brow and just to give myself an outline there as well. And once that is done, then I go in and start shading just like I did at the bottom. Some hair-like strokes so that my brows are, of course, not too harsh. Oh, can't talk today. And I brush through them so that the product is evenly distributed. And that's what I'm doing here. Y'all, I'm vibing to some music, y'all. Hey, disregard that. But anyway, and then, of course, like I said, I'm continuing to make hair-like strokes, and that's what I did there. So now I'm going to start to use my concealer. I use the lighter concealer, which is my Shape Tape. It's in medium, basically to do the arch of my brow. And then once I get to the front of my brow, I use the other shade, which was the L'Oreal Infallible, so that it's not too much of a halo under there. I like it to look as natural as possible. And then basically I'm just brushing the concealer down. And this is a Real Techniques brush right here. And I basically pat the concealer in. I don't swipe it or anything. I just pat it in. And then, of course, you have to go up top. I don't do this all the time, but just for the sake of this tutorial, you know, some people like to clean up the top of the brow so that basically it is all together. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have those brows completely snatched. So some people use concealer, some people use the color of shade of foundation that they use, but here I'm using the same concealer that I use at the bottom. Oh, I'm tongue twisted. And using that Real Techniques brush again to buff the top of the brow out. And that's what I'm doing there. Got to make sure that it is evenly distributed. And then I go back in with my Absolute New York pencil, and I basically go in and fill those gaps. Oh, I'm yelling at my daughter. Sorry, y'all. She is a piece of work. Anyway, this is the brow gel that I use. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the clear brow gel, and I just brush through my brows. That's it, guys.